Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Ford E-Series van E-250. Unmatched power, unrivaled reliability. This three-door van has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 98,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the 2014 Ford E-Series van E-250. Powered by a Triton 4.6L flex fuel V8 engine, this beast boasts 225 horsepower and 286 pound-feet of torque. It's not just powerful, it's loaded with factory features like power windows, locks, air conditioning, and AM/FM radio. The classy yet functional medium Flint interior complements the crisp Oxford white exterior. With less than 98,000 miles, it's been driven with care, averaging under 9,000 miles per year. Plus, it comes with a clean Carfax report. Visit our dealership and take this beauty for a spin. You won't be disappointed. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, power steering, stability control, and traction control.